Welcome back. Now that we have assembled our team, we are now going to create teams and groups. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this Everyone tab. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click Make a Company. And for purposes of this project, we're going to call this a name associated with the project. Once we do that, we're going to add certain individuals to the company or team. So now that we've done that, we're now going to click Create the Company. And this is now our team. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create groups. We're going to click Add a Group or Department inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 people to one group. And then we're going to add another group. Once we've done that, we're then going to click Create the Group. Now you can also have overlapping groups. So for example, we can have a group that may have one person from one of the groups and another person from the other group. And you'll see that here. So now we have our groups that we're going to be working with inside of the project. And we will use these groups to determine when someone needs to hear about something specific inside of the project in terms of the activity. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.